If you're thinking about selling your home, how do you determine what price to list it at? Or if you're buying a home, how do you determine what to offer for your future dream home? If you have either of these questions, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Sheila Howell and I'm with Red One Realty. I spend a lot of time with my clients here in Central Ohio, including Newark, Heath, New Albany, and many other suburbs of Columbus. So I have extensive local market knowledge when it comes to listing a home or making an offer on a new home. Here are just a few things to consider whether you're purchasing or selling a home here in Central Ohio. Size, condition, marketing, and negotiation. All of these things have a huge impact on price. Think about it. You can't compare a home that is 2,000 square foot to a home that is nearly 4,000 square feet. That would be like comparing a Cadillac Escalade to a Kia Forte. They just don't match up. They're not comparable. You need to make sure that you consider size, just like an appraiser would. Typically, the appraiser compares homes that are within 10 to 15% of the square footage of the home that they're evaluating. They'll use homes that are both higher and lower in square footage and use those as comparables. If there's not enough inventory, the appraiser will have to consider homes with larger differences in size, and this means even more adjustments in those comparables when trying to evaluate the value of the home that they're trying to evaluate. Let's use a car analogy. You can't compare a car with all the bells and whistles to one that's stripped down. They're just not comparable, right? Well, the home is exactly the same thing. When pricing, you must consider these things, like how upgraded is the home? How modern is it? What's the landscaping like? Are you in a great location? Are you close to parks and shopping? Or are there negatives like power lines, heavy traffic, anything else that could be a deterrent to the buyer? Well, watch the video on marketing to understand how marketing can impact the sales price of your home and how important marketing is. I can't say enough about how important marketing is. Remember, when pricing, it's natural to feel like your home is worth more than everyone else's on the block because you have that emotional attachment to your home. It's completely normal. But you've got to look at all the variables because overpricing your home could cost you more money in the long run. Sheila Howell at Red One Realty, simplifying your real estate journey. I would love to serve you in selling your home. Contact me and we'll work together to determine the best strategy for listing your home.